I grabbed the Pro Max from the Apple store earlier. It was super busy, but it definitely paid off to have an appointment. I was in and out super quick. The orange and lavender are actually my favorite colors that I've seen in years. I was getting so tired of the titanium and all the neutral shades actually. I'm kind of nostalgic about it too. My first iPhone was the 11 in lavender, and I remember back in the 2010s, they had all these fun colors, and I always really wanted them. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max next to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The shape of the body is less boxy and the screen is bigger. Apple has definitely slowly been making it more curved over the years. I think this model looks the most like a Samsung. Without further ado, let's get into the second unboxing. One thing that really surprised me is that the 17's display is insanely bright. Actually, both the models are pretty bright. It's 1,000 more nits brighter actually. It means it'll make it so much easier to read outside. The weight difference is wild comparing the 15 Pro to the 17. It's much lighter, which I prefer. But I'm actually most excited about the battery life. I was not even making it a full day with a charge. I had to charge it all the time. Honestly, I would have been better off keeping my 13, but I really wanted that dynamic island. It pulled me in. Lessons learned. Battery is most important. Honestly, I've thought about switching to Android before, but having to swap everything over sounds like a nightmare. I have so many passwords saved. It takes about 30 minutes. You just let it go and then you're all set. Let me know what you think about the iPhone 17 and if it's worth it for you.